everyone, this is Anushae from Anushae Says, and today I am here at Bagallery and I am going to be taking their White Friday challenge. They are going to be blindfolding me and I will have to guess whatever they put in my hands. So if I'm able to guess everything correctly, then one lucky winner who comments down on my video will win this really nice West Point का straightener. So if you want to win this, then keep on watching. अच्छा जी, अब challenge शुरू हो गया है और मुझे guess करना है कि क्या चीज़ है. I am guessing ये कोई mini है किसी चीज़ की and I am gonna go with mascara. So yeah, lock mascara. Oh no! It wasn't a mascara. Sorry guys. Next time I'll get it correct. What is this? I think it's a pen. Is this a pen? What is this? Oh, is this a concealer? Ah, eyeliner. Okay. Oh, मैंने कभी नहीं देखा वैसे. This is like a pen. बचपन में ऐसे पेन होते थे. So, nice. Ah. Okay, I think I know what this is. This is a blush because highlighter की packaging थोड़ी ज़्यादा posh होती है. So I'm gonna go with a blush. I'm correct. Sweet Cheeks Matte by NYX Cosmetics. It is a blush. And let me swatch that. Oh wow, that is a beautiful colored blush. Okay, so this is our fourth product. और okay, this is easy. ये दो चीज़ हो सकता है, ये blush हो सकता है या highlighter हो सकता है. But I am gonna go with a highlighter. Moment of truth. It's a highlighter. Yes, इसको जरा खोल के देखते हैं कौन सा है. It is the Becca Champagne Pop. Oh guys, this is such a popular highlighter by the way. Oh my god, this is not a makeup product. This is a spider. I was right. Do I get a point? Okay. This is what do you call it? It's a shampoo. Oh, it's a conditioner. I was so close. Okay, this is, guys, by the way, I've asked for a tiebreaker, so इसलिए ये bonus round है. I have to get this correct and the pressure is on. So I'm guessing this could be a lip balm. Lip balm. Lip balm! Oh my god! Yay! I won, guys. कोई खरीदना जीत सकता है. It's a lip sleeping mask by Lineage. Love it, guys. Congratulations, हम ये जीत चुके हैं और मैंने ये आप लोगों के लिए जीता है. So आप में से एक बहुत खुशनसीब शख्स ये स्ट्रेटनर जीतने वाला है, which is great. And I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो. If you did, then leave it down in the comments कि आपको क्या चीज़ पसंद आई इस वीडियो की. So guys, before I go, I quickly want to mention कि White Friday sale Bagallery पे लगने वाली है 27th November को. So mark that date. जितने भी products हमने इस वीडियो में देखे, apart from the spider, will be available on the website, and they're also going to be having some really nice new launches. So make the most of the sale, and yeah.